Hi, John Collins here. If you're a little worried about your retirement, you may already know that there are companies that do financial planning, there are companies that do tax planning. I want to introduce you to a company that's different. Lau Financial. Welcome, John Lau from Lau Financial.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much, John.
Your company is different because?
Well, because we coordinate the two. I mean, we look at a planning issue from a tax standpoint and also from a financial standpoint, and we take a holistic approach.
So one of the big things that has real tax consequences are people's IRAs. What's the biggest mistake people make with regard to IRAs?
Well, there are a lot of issues pertaining to IRA. There are tax rules pertaining to IRA. For example, timing is an issue. You can't take money out of your IRA account too early, before 59 and a half, or you can't take money out too late. And there are Roth conversion issues. There are funding issues if you set up a living trust, for example. And then what a lot of people end up doing is they put their IRA into their living trust.
I was starting to do that,
mistake.
yeah, before I got that advice, yeah.
That is a big mistake. I mean, it is a taxable event. And so, probably at the end of the year, you're going to get a 1099. And every single year, John, believe it or not, we have to go through that situation with the IRS on one or more of our clients.
Right. So obviously this sounds like an incredibly complicated issue that we can't cover in 2 minutes. So you guys, you do seminars, free seminars, right?
We do complimentary seminars, and I like to call them educational seminars, that we provide a lot of information about IRAs and planning and beneficiary designation, Roth conversion considerations, and all that kind of stuff.
Well, great information at the seminars, and if you'd like to join them,
call 650-344-1700 or visit our website at lfsfinance.com for the seminar nearest you. For a complimentary consultation with John Lau, call 650-344-1700. This segment sponsored by LFS Asset Management.